Okay, so we're going to have a look at planning the ingredients for your smoothie to try to make these different to what you planned before for your instruction text for your pie. Because obviously this is a drink and it needs to be different. So if we think about some different ingredients, I could have some beetles earwax. So I might want to put beetles, and I think I'm going to have 10 of those. Remember to be specific with your ingredients so the reader knows how many. I could have a a lump of earwax. Okay, and what else do I want? I could have moldy apples or a black banana. Okay, one black banana and four moldy apples, I think. I don't need the L there. Okay, moldy apples. So then I need to think of some adjectives that I could include. So remember, we've had a look at some more exciting adjectives. So try to get some of these in here on your plan. So I am going to use putrid, which is the example. So that means disgusting. Okay, I could use sickening. I could use, what else could I use? Putrid, sickening. Oh, I could say, instead of old, I could say ancient. That's one we learn. Stomach turning. Okay, so you can think of some adjectives there for your ingredients.